When you go out riding and recording, what perspective or field of view do you set your cameras to? Today, we're diving into the world of GoPro cameras and their different field of view options. I've had many debates on which is best, and it really more or less comes down to the preference as well as to what the subject of your shot really is. We will be discussing the different field of views based on a standard landscape at 16:9 perspective, with standard hypersmooth turned on, but not boost. The field of view is a crucial aspect of any camera, and it determines how much of the scene you capture in each shot. In this video, we'll be exploring 4 different field of view options: linear, wide, super view, and hyper view. First up, we have the linear field of view. This is the most natural and realistic field of view as it mimics the human eye's perspective. In a 16:9 aspect, it captures an 87-degree horizontal angle of view and is great for everyday use such as documenting your travels or activities. When filming motorbike videos on the street, the linear field of view is perfect for capturing the rider's perspective as to what they see, allowing the viewer to feel like they're right there on the bike with the rider. Next up is the wide field of view. This captures a 109-degree angle of view on a 16:9 aspect and provides a wider perspective, allowing you to capture more of the scene in front of you. When filming motorbike videos on the street, the wide field of view is great for capturing group shots or landscapes, as it allows you to capture more of the scene while still maintaining the detail of your subjects. It is very easy to see the difference between the linear to the wide perspective. I will show them all side by side later on in the video for an easy comparison. The super view field of view offers an even wider perspective with 113-degree horizontal and 86-degree vertical angle of view. This field of view is great for capturing action sports and group activities such as off-road riding and group rides. When filming videos on the street, the super view field can be used to capture more of the scene, such as the rider's surroundings or other riders in the group. This will provide a more dynamic and exciting perspective, allowing the viewer to get a better sense of the action and excitement of the ride. The downfall of this selection is this is where you start to pick up some of the fisheye perspective in the look and the feel. Finally, we have the hyperview field of view. This offers an extremely wide perspective with 113-degree horizontal and 100-degree vertical angle of view. It is great for capturing exceptional wide shots as well as scenic routes or long winding roads. When filming videos on the street or riding off-road, the hyperview field of view can be used to capture a really wide shot, allowing the viewer to get a better sense of the environment or the ride as a whole. Have a look at some of the samples of these side by side from the front of the bike as well as from the chin perspective. I used to shoot in the linear mode mainly, but since I've gone through and actually tested some of these perspectives, I seem to like the wide a little more. I find using this gives you a little more to see for what is available in the shot while not sacrificing the fisheye effect. I find this view is much better when you're shooting in a first-person mode. I might even test out shooting from the chin and super view mode just to get a little more open perspective, making it feel a little more immersive for the viewer. So those are the 4 field of view options on the GoPro cameras. To summarize, the linear field of view is great for capturing the rider's perspective close up. The wide field of view is great for capturing more of the action of group shots and landscapes. Super view field of view is even wider but starts to introduce the fisheye look. And the hyperview field of view is great for capturing wide landscapes and shots but a significant fisheye look. By choosing the right field of view for your needs, you can capture stunning immersive footage of your rides. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and why not check out the website for more information, including downloads of all the complete route files for the trips that you've seen on this channel. Thanks for watching.